Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ka estimate committee jong ka yeng dorbar thau an ga jilla haga nriu tarik unailor arajar arpulai kala her sha West Giant Hills District banle Jurip ya ka residential school kabadon haga shinong Sabak Muswang West Giant Hills District. Ka committee hapo ka jingalam jong chairman uba Meral Bonds im rengkat ka jing senran lang jong u MLA ka Maukerwat uba Renington Tongkhar u MLA ka North Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum u MLA ka Jawai uba Wailat Migi Shila u MLA jong ka Selsela u Arbin Stone B Marak bat ka MLA jong ka Ampati ka Miyani D Shira kilalek ban Jurip yakani ka residential school ban Bishar Benia halor ka Jinglong Jingman bat ka Rukom Long ka Jingtei jong kani ka Jaka Pule. Lasanran yakini ki khot ka committee da u Deputy Commissioner jong ka West Giant Hills uba BS Solia rengkat bat ka District School Education Officer Joai ka kong AP's aim bat ki he nakatanat PWD buildings.
Tuan nakaliang jong ke Education Department i kong kumju i Solia ro di sini pila jun ko em ba ban peteng kini kiwi komponen of work badon kamange ka residential school
ki laga from the office ki ngi bilang up ka bila itu sekolah leaders kalau mana building to complete dan I progress say through the education department dia kata lupa ke district level coordination committee dan nakalian dia sebut itu because inisiatif di ini tentang physically like officially cause ya review perhaps
happening all over the state where few residential school that has been sanctioned at the same time the work is not yet completed. So compared to other sites, this is quite satisfactory. Even though the observation of the committee is that because we have been mandated by the Meghalaya District Assembly to follow up issues and project that has been stalled, that has not been completed, and why we select this site also, we select randomly all over the state. So few area we found out that it is completed, few area we found that it is 50%, some area we found is only 15%, 10% is like that. So we are quite satisfactory today after visiting this site as per the estimate already made as per the work order, and we are quite happy to see that the building has completed, and except other component to be a complete residential school that we have discussed, and DC also, you please take cognizance of this issue, because as a district head, it is your responsibility to follow up, especially be it central scheme or state scheme. And then from DSEO, and then from the Education Department, PWD building as the implementing agency also, we would like to see that the rest of the components to make it complete as a residential school, you will have to send a proposal from the Education Department, even though they already have a plan through this residential society that has been formed or will be formed in days to come. But from the district point of view, feedback has to be sent from all the district. We advise the district like that only to send to the Education Department, so that all the residential school that has been set up in different CNRD block in the state. Shortage of resources, sometimes central project scheme discontinue, there's no funding, not even in residential school, even in the polytechnic we have also is the same issue. So it is a challenge for the government, but still, as a committee mandated by Meghalaya District Assembly, it is our duty to follow up issues and to try our level best to take all the feedback, the observation to the concerned department, and we would like to ask for for each and every one of you, especially the landowner, to please bear. Please bear the landowner, the village head who are here, for your generosity. Thank you so much. And you please bear with the department, with the government. We'll find out ways and means as much as we can.
residential school iyo ibala dep complete yung building ang bagi jakasa di quarter di block boys ko di office kay kabo kamdon tayo surong kamdon jakalay kamdon marangi nang yung idang sibol ka jing sa atin ingin nakaling iro ni kanto committee ki one mo nag-estimate committee natin ya keren lah ni ban pet ban semua dia ni kan lek ban sa di sekolah ni la sai lai sisi yo indo segi lagi jikan
Legislative Assembly, as the chairman, would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Torbarshnam, to the Education Department, to the Deputy Commissioner, to the building, and all official concerned who are present here. Our sole intention is to carry forward the legacy that has been left behind, and we would like to see that this residential school that has been started here in Sabah Muswang, it will see the light of the day. It is not a promise that 100% it will be within a night that it will function, but as I have said in my opening remark, the spot also, it is a challenge to the government, it's a challenge to the committee, but we wouldn't let you down as the people of this village, especially those landowners who have donated the land, the village, the education department, and all concerned. And we didn't expect that we will get such a beautiful gift that you have present to us. Thank you so much to the DSEO, Kongs Ilmo, and your team. May God will bless you.